Building an online store with dropshipping. Welcome to the world of e-commerce. Today, we're going to dive deep into the creation of your very own online store using a business model called dropshipping. This model is gaining immense popularity due to its low risk, low investment nature. Let's get started. Firstly, what is dropshipping? Essentially, it's a business model where you, as a store owner, don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase it from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. This means you never see or handle the product. You simply act as a middleman between the customer and the supplier. Now, let's jump into how you can create your online store using this model. The first step is choosing your niche. This involves deciding what products you want to sell. Choose products that you're passionate about, ones that have a potential market, and preferably, ones that aren't readily available in local stores. Next, you'll need to find a supplier. There are numerous dropshipping suppliers out there like AliExpress, Doba, and Dropship Direct. It's crucial to choose a reliable supplier because they'll be responsible for maintaining product quality and shipping the products on time. Now, on to the exciting part, creating your online store. You can build your store on platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce. These platforms are user-friendly, even for those with no coding experience. They provide templates, payment gateways, and other necessary tools for online selling. Once your store is set up, it's time to list your products. Be as detailed as possible in your product descriptions, use high-quality images, and set competitive pricing. Remember, customers can't physically touch or see your products, so your descriptions and images are all they have. Next, it's time to implement your marketing strategy. Use social media advertising, SEO, content marketing, and email marketing to drive traffic to your store. Remember, the more traffic you drive to your store, the higher your chances of making sales. An important aspect of dropshipping is handling customer service. Since you don't handle the products, issues might arise with product quality or shipping. Be prepared to handle these situations professionally and make sure your customers always have a positive experience. Lastly, always analyze and optimize your store. Monitor your sales, customer behavior, and website traffic to understand what's working and what's not. This will help you make necessary adjustments to boost your sales. Building an online store with dropshipping may seem daunting at first, but with careful planning, reliable suppliers, a user-friendly online platform, and effective marketing, it's a very achievable goal. It's a low-risk way to enter the world of e-commerce, and who knows, it might just be the business opportunity you've been waiting for. Remember, every successful online store started from scratch. With hard work, persistence, and a little bit of creativity, you can build a successful online store using dropshipping. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and start building your dream online store today.